Hi guys, I'm Chatterjee and in this video we'll be talking about top 5 popular action cameras in 2018. Now this has been taken from a particular site, so it differs from site to site, but on an average this is the one I found were the most popular. So stay tuned, and if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button and share this video with your friends too who are looking for a budget action camera. And in this video our budget is gonna be 5,000 rupees or around $80. So all the cameras that I'll be talking about is below that range. So let's get started. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. 1, 2, 3, drop. Before I start telling which are the camera models, this video is basically to give you an idea of which and all models are there in this range, the most popular ones, and so that you can do your research. I have done a bit of research and I'll tell you my verdict at the end, so stay tuned. Now before I tell you the exact model names, one thing to consider is that action cameras are such devices in which if you pay more, you get more. So the quality that you're gonna get in this range is gonna be less than what you're gonna get if you pay more. So keep that in mind. Only if your budget is like limited, or if you want to just trial whether you need an action camera, then you spend this amount of money. Otherwise, if your budget is more, then spend more and get a better action camera, because I'll tell you one thing, I've been using cameras from a long time, and if you do cost cutting in buying a camera, action camera, then later on you are gonna upgrade. Sooner or later you are gonna upgrade if you use the action camera a lot. So it's better to invest at first and get a better camera, then invest like double, now spend that much amount on this cheap budget camera and then spend more next time, because this action camera is not gonna be comparable to the higher range ones. So keep that in mind. So we are gonna start with the first two action cameras is from a company called imars. The first two cameras are imars H9 Plus and imars H9. So the H9 Plus and H9, the difference is that one is price. H9 Plus is 2.8K and H9 is 3.4K, and the sensor is different. So the H9 Plus comes with GC4603 and the H9 comes with 4689. Now the OV4689 is the most commonly used. The next third camera is Sjcam's SJ4000 Air. Now this also was recently launched and the sensor pretty much remains the same, the OV4689. Yeah, so all the basic specifications remain the same. They claim that they can do 4K, but I'll tell you till 1080p 60 FPS is gonna be okay. After that, can't really guarantee what is the resolution that's happening. It will show you resolution as 4K, that is the resolution like 4096 into like that, but actual quality is not gonna be comparable. So if you want to buy a 4K camera, then this is not gonna be a good option. But 1080p 60 FPS, pretty good. So SJ4000R, the sensor remains the same as I told you, and all the other things are same. Only thing that is good in this camera that I'll say is that Sjcam has been making action cameras from a really long time, and personally being a Sjcam owner, I would say the reliability is good. It has not failed me in any situation, and it's still working good. I have a 3 to 4 years old SJ4000 and it's working pretty well. Obviously the clarity is nowhere comparable to the cameras that I have now, but durability and reliability is there. Now the last two cameras are from one of the popular manufacturers in this very budget range, the starting budget range, and that is Eken. So there are two cameras in Eken H9R and Eken H9S. Now H9R is the most popular one, whereas H9S I haven't heard that much, but there's a special thing about this H9S. So H9S is 2.6K actually. That's the prices vary, but the time I checked, that's the cheapest actually in the whole range. I was thinking imars is the cheapest, but so the main difference is that the H9S it's the cheapest, but I couldn't find what is the exact difference, but only one thing that I found is that H9S supports live streaming and it comes with a Panasonic sensor, whereas the H9, I don't know what sensor it comes with, but it seems to be a good one. final verdict, I would say go for the H9R. SJ4000 Air would also be a good option, but I have seen videos which say that the SJ4000R, the SJ4000 Air, the picture quality is not that good. So considering that everyone is very happy with the H9R, so if you are looking for my verdict, buy the H9R. The links will be in the description. Please do buy from the links given below, as it does help out the channel. And if this series is received well, like if you like this video, then don't forget to hit on that like button so that I make more videos like this. The budget will increase and so will the options. So if you want to see that, comment below and like the video. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, ting ting. This is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.